Hello and welcome back to my Myrtle Beach real estate video blog where I'm bringing you relevant topics about our local real estate market here along the Grand Strand. Thanks as always for joining me, and I wanted to share with you a question I recently received while I was at the Myrtle Beach Pelicans baseball game with my family, and then it seemed like for the next few days I heard the same question over and over again on the telephone and when I bumped into people at lunch. And here's the question. Greg, interest rates have been creeping up. How is that going to affect, or how is that affecting our market, number one, right now, and how is it going to affect our market, over the next several months? So I thought I would share that question and then share the answer I'm giving people when I hear that question. In the short term, because we've been seeing interest rates creep up for about the last 30 to 40 days, the sense of urgency amongst buyers is greater than I've seen probably since 2007. So in the short run, it is very positive for owners that are already on the market trying to sell. I'm seeing a ton of activity on my listings. I'm seeing a lot of offers, a lot of properties going under contract, diminished inventory. So that's the short term. And I think, interest rates have crept up as I record this on the 24th of June, a little above 4.5% on a 30-year fixed rate. 40 days ago, they were hovering still around 4% or even maybe a little below 4%. Now, if interest rates go up above 5, I think we start to see things slow down a little bit. But if they hover in that 4.5 to, under 4.5, even go back down to in the low 4s, I think everything will continue to be strong as we get out of this, as we continue to recover, I should say, here locally. So we'll have to watch, but in the short run, and I think the balance of this year in 2013, we'll continue to see the demand be strong, but I am seeing in the short term, buyers that are on the fence are really getting aggressive and finding the right property because they don't want to risk paying, much more on their interest rate than they currently can pay today, which, by the way, 4.5% historically, and we've been saying this for years, historically, interest rates are still phenomenal at 4.5. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any specific questions about your property or anything I can do for you in the real estate world, don't hesitate to call or email me. Talk to you next time.